Hey tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is here to eliminate your battery anxiety for good. This powerhouse portable charger can juice up your iPhone 6s over 6 times, making it an absolute game changer for travelers and busy professionals. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. Plus, with its dual USB ports, you can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for couples or those with multiple gadgets. If you're searching for the best portable charger and a reliable power bank for all your electronics in 2025, look no further. This Anker PowerCore review shows why it's a smart investment. You can find the link in the description below to grab this essential travel companion on Amazon. Trust me, staying charged has never been easier or more reliable than with the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh.